Hey audience, welcome to the channel. Let's get into it. As quickly as in a snap, I am going to show you how to remove vocals from any music. This is absolutely amazing technology offered by Wondershare at a fair rate of $60 a year. You cannot beat that. Just simply click on the upper left pane and find the song Voices, a song provided by Wondershare. Even without premium, you can still do this test. Just can't export it without purchasing the effects package. It's anywhere from $8 to $20, depending on what sort of deal they are offering at the time. How this works is you right-click on the music track Voices, then you choose AI Vocal Remover as seen. It will have you wait, in some cases up to 5 minutes, but once it is finished, you will see 3 tracks instead of the one used to remove the vocals. Let's get into what each one represents. You have the top track, which is the original track you chose to remove the vocals from. The second track is just the vocals. The bottom track is just the background music itself. As you can bear witness, the song is broken down into 2 parts. So you can use the background music now without the vocals, or use the vocals and put them on, say, another instrumental provided by Wondershare. This creates endless opportunities for your content.
I hear voices in my head, I don't know what they say, it's something strange in my mind, I don't know if it's good or bad, sometimes I feel so desperate.
Well, that's it, folks. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will help with whatever possible. Thank you.